Have you ever wondered what NASA's cameras are really capturing on Mars? You won't believe what they've found. Mars hides a mysterious past, with tantalizing hints of ancient rivers, vast lakes, and even gigantic floods. But how do we study a world so extreme and out of reach? The answer came in the form of small machines that changed everything, the rovers. They are our eyes on the red planet, and each one has unveiled something no one ever expected. How did a robot the size of a suitcase pave the way for missions that are now hunting for organic molecules? In the next few minutes, you'll see Mars through the eyes of the most advanced machines ever used in space exploration. Mars is more than just a distant desert. It's a natural laboratory, perfectly preserved in time. The Martian surface showcases natural structures on an almost unimaginable scale. Valles Marineris, a canyon system over 3,000 miles long, could stretch across the entire United States. Olympus Mons is the largest volcano in the solar system, standing 3 times taller than Mount Everest, with a base the size of Arizona. These colossal structures redefine what a rocky planet can be. Its atmosphere is incredibly thin, mostly carbon dioxide, and the low pressure means liquid water can't last long on the surface. Yet, we've found traces of briny water and formations suggesting massive floods reshaped the planet about 3.5 billion years ago. But how do you study such a hostile, distant, and unpredictable place? The answer revolutionized space exploration: rovers. These are autonomous wheeled vehicles packed with cameras, spectrometers, weather sensors, and tools that can scrape rocks, analyze soil, drill surfaces, and even generate oxygen. Each rover is an entire science lab sent to a specific region with clear goals: find evidence of past water, study minerals and geological processes, investigate ancient habitable environments, and search for signs of microbial life. They aren't just robots. They are extensions of our own eyes on another world. Before we move on, think about this. Every single image, every pixel sent from Mars, travels millions of miles through the cosmic void to reach Earth. Each discovery is a small technological miracle. With that in mind, it's time to meet the explorers who changed our relationship with Mars forever. The Sojourner rover was small in size, but giant in significance. Part of the Mars Pathfinder mission launched in 1996, it landed on July 4, 1997, using a groundbreaking method: giant airbags that cushioned its impact on a rocky plain called Ares Vallis. Weighing only 23 pounds, Sojourner was a proof of concept. Its mission was supposed to last just 1 week, but it stunned the world by operating for 83 days, sending back 550 images and analyzing 15 rocks. This little explorer, which could fit in a suitcase, paved the way for all modern Mars exploration. Then came the Martian twins, Spirit and Opportunity, designed to last 90 days. But the universe had other plans. Spirit landed in Gusev crater in 2004, a spot believed to be an ancient lakebed. The rover faced challenges, got stuck more than once, and climbed dangerous hills. During one of these mishaps, dragging a broken wheel, it exposed a patch of nearly pure silica, a clear sign of ancient hydrothermal activity, an environment that could have supported microbial life. Spirit operated for over 6 years, traveling nearly 5 miles before losing contact in 2010. Opportunity landed on the other side of the planet, and its journey was a robotic epic. It discovered sedimentary rocks, minerals that only form in water, and even found an iron-nickel meteorite. In 2015, it became the first robot in history to complete a marathon on another planet, clocking in at 26.2 miles. It ultimately traveled over 28 miles before a global dust storm silenced it in 2018. Now, you're about to meet the rover that changed everything. It didn't just explore Mars, it literally made a home there. The Curiosity rover, part of the Mars Science Laboratory mission, landed on August 6, 2012, using a revolutionary descent system called the Sky Crane. This aerial crane lowered the rover on cables while rockets stabilized the platform in midair, allowing for a precise landing on rugged terrain. Weighing about a ton, the size of a small car, Curiosity was the most advanced robotic lab ever sent to the Red Planet. Its science suite includes a laser that vaporizes rocks, a lab that analyzes chemical and organic composition, high-resolution cameras, weather stations, and a robotic arm with drilling tools never before used on Mars. Curiosity's main mission was to answer one simple, profound question. Did Mars ever have habitable conditions? The answer was a resounding yes. In Gale Crater, the rover identified sedimentary rocks, water-formed minerals, and preserved organic molecules, all essential building blocks for life. It also detected seasonal variations of methane, a gas that could have either geological or biological origins, one of the most intriguing mysteries in Martian science today. Imagine that, a lone robot on another planet analyzing molecules that could tell us how life began. Curiosity is powered by a nuclear generator, allowing it to survive the harsh Martian environment and operate in regions inaccessible to solar-powered rovers. It has drilled over 40 rock samples, revealing geological layers that show how Mars transformed from a watery world to the arid desert we see today. After more than a decade, Curiosity is still active, slowly climbing Mount Sharp and sending back data that continues to reshape our understanding of Mars. Next came Perseverance, launched in July 2020 and landing on February 18, 2021 in Jezero Crater, the most promising site to find signs of past life on Mars. Why? Because it's an ancient river delta, preserved from a time when the planet had deep rivers. Its landing also used the Skycrane system, but an upgraded version with terrain relative navigation, allowing the rover to spot hazards in real time and adjust its landing zone autonomously. Its goal is the most ambitious yet: to search for signs of ancient microbial life and collect samples to be brought back to Earth in the future. To achieve this, Perseverance uses a brand new collection system, hermetically sealed titanium tubes that store rock and soil samples for a future joint NASA-ESA mission to retrieve. This is the first time in history that humans have prepared for a sample return from another planet. These samples will be the first rocks from another world to arrive on Earth, collected with scientific intent. Perseverance also carries the MOXIE experiment, which successfully converted Martian carbon dioxide into oxygen, a crucial step for future human missions. Like Curiosity, it runs on a nuclear generator, ensuring its longevity. But what truly marked its arrival was its companion, the Ingenuity helicopter. Ingenuity performed the first powered, controlled flights on another planet, proving that aerial exploration is possible in an atmosphere 100 times thinner than Earth's. With dozens of flights, it has opened a new era of Martian exploration. So, where does this leave us? 3 decades after the tiny sojourner, Mars is no longer just a reddish dot in the sky. It has become a real place with history, landscapes, mysteries, and preserved geological memories. Each rover helped dismantle the myth of a dead, unchanging planet, revealing a world that was once much more like Earth than we ever dreamed. From the soft landing of Pathfinder's airbags to the cinematic touchdown of Perseverance, our machines have evolved into ever more capable explorers. And with each advance, new questions arise. Did Mars ever have life? Why did it become so inhospitable? And what does this teach us about Earth's own past and future? Perseverance, supported by Ingenuity, is now preparing for the next crucial step, the sample return era. When those samples finally reach Earth, we can analyze particles that have remained untouched for billions of years, perhaps holding the chemical signatures of ancient life. Until then, every image sent, every analysis made, and every meter traveled is more than just science. It's proof of human curiosity, proof that even in a vast, indifferent universe, we seek to understand our place. And in the Martian silence, these small robots continue their journey. Perhaps the best tribute we can pay them is to keep asking, keep exploring, and keep pushing forward. Because if Mars was once a living planet, then many of its secrets may still be waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching. If you love space and want to dive deeper, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more cosmic journeys.